Oh,
Okay, eager encounter back at 7:45 out west, and it's 9:45 in Chicago. The S&P is down. We are down to 43.90. If you look at Igor's daily chart there, you notice it's lining up with his lower Bollinger Band and his long-term moving averages, probably where we're going. Volatility is obviously higher overnight. Where are we at?
16.6. When we started the day, we were about 14.5. We just bumped up with volatility on the move lower.
All right, what do you think is a good deal out there? What's your straddle value?
Okay, so I was looking at the straddle, and when I was looking at it, looked like we have about, okay, right now we have about 32, 33, 34 maybe. So I'm thinking about 60 up and down will do us well.
What is 7? So 70 would from here would be 20 and be 60.
70, 60, yeah.
And what downside would be 20? What's 20? What's your 33, 43.20?
About
260
270.
and $3
And we got about 50 up on 60.
You know what? Do your 60. Go 60. That's fine.
So 60 would be, what is it, 40?
We're going to do 30 versus 50.
It's good to have somebody who has good math skills.
It's all right. It's in the business.
Okay, let's see. Problem with doing out of the money is that market is wide, so we need to figure it out.
Do the out of the money wings?
No, I'm sorry, doing in the money wings.
Do you want to do the out of the monies?
Let's see, the bid ask is pretty wide here.
Yeah, so why don't you do the out of the monies then, since it looks a little weird. Wait, actually, it's not that bad. It's right there. It's wide, but do you want to mess with it, or you want to go the other way?
Let's do in the money.
All right, go ahead.
So we're doing.
That's there you go, 30.
30, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, because this is a little wide, let me go with the one that is wider. Let's find the market here. Okay, that's not good.
Go ahead, lower it to $2. We get filled at 2.62. That's not 6.67. Ain't gonna happen.
No, I'm waiting for the.
It's down below you. There you go.
No, that's not right.
The market ticked down to 87, so that's why you're having this jitteriness here. You may be safer going on the out of the monies right now because you're having this sell-off happening.
Here, I found it.
Okay, fast. You got to go fast. Go 3.5. Okay, you got. Very good. All right, now go the other side.
Now, where we're on the side.
There, okay. You just can't see it. Just make your thing taller. Make your box bigger.
No, it's not there. See, it's not there.
Hit it again. Hit your up and down button.
Okay, oh, wait, market is not there.
Scroll with the wheel on your mouse up and down. Okay, so worst case scenario, we whip out the old calculator. So 43 minus, so 30 minus 88 is 58. So 58, add $5 to it, so go 62.
There it is. Market is back here.
62, 62, 62, 62.
I'm trying to get a quarter.
I know, but you're too high. It's because remember the time premium?
Got 62.
Okay. Remember, it's $88.75 plus $3.50. Okay, you're in, like Flynn. All right, so
Okay.
we're
I was doing it differently. Since we did 60 up and down, I figured that that's got to be over 60 here, over 60 there. So we should be
this side.
collecting 6.25, right?
You got 2, and yeah, you got 6.25. Very good. I mean, it's very good. I think you did a great spread. So we got to worry about if it goes below 30, it goes over 44.50. Looks weak.
Yep.
Been ticking down pretty much all afternoon and into the evening. For real fast, let's run through the other markets.
Yeah. Before we go, I just wanted to look. 30 looks like it will take us about months, 2 months, 3 months back, 3.5 months back, right here. That looks a good solid area.
Okay.
All right, let's go to other markets.
So just run through here. So you got gold down $2, which is nothing big. Oil down 60 cents, nothing big. Silver's down 20 cents, nothing big. And they had bad weeks last week. Natural gas is back under $5, which is halfway decent. Okay, flip to the next thing. Let's see what's going on. Copper's down to 418. So copper's really retraced. So building demand must be going down. Your bonds are up 8 ticks, but they had a bad week. They were like down to 162.
Yeah,
Same with the 10-year note. Let's go to the, what else you got?
currency.
Currency.
Currency look
Weak.
pretty weak.
And so do, yeah, all the way around. So dollar strength. So I probably got money moving out of foreign stocks and into dollars. And that's why you got bonds upticking a little bit today. And food prices look about the same, weak like the currencies.
Yeah, but they look not as weak as we saw currencies and um, and energies.
Well, you're getting into winter, so people may be buying food, maybe stocking up in other countries. So,
Maybe.
okay,
But
all right, that's good. Let's check in with
natural gas and I'm just concerned. Natural gas and silver looks really weak.
natural gas had a big
Could
rise.
be movers.
Yeah, well, that silver being weak. Yeah, that's just it's metal complex getting weak. You have a lot of weird spreading activity when it comes to gold and silver. Same thing like natural gas and crude oil. But natural gas kind of got a bid as we were in the last 2 months. But you had hot weather. It's still hot by you in Chicago. Isn't it like 80 degrees today? 85 degrees?
So it was a high of 96.
96. It's hotter by you than here by leaps and bounds. So it was 72 here today. So it's different. Different weather. Okay, let's let the people go. It's 8 minutes past, and we'll check in the morning. Okay, have a good
Have
night.
a good night. Bye bye.
You too.